Good afternoon, this is Nerdy Grandma. Welcome to another video in my channel. Today it's Sunday and I am out with my DJI Mini 4K again because I still need a lot of practicing. So I'm here in the very south of Austria in Carinthia in an area called Lippitzbach. It's a very quiet area. It's not too far away from the Slovenian border actually, and close to Lavamünd, another city here. It's at the Drau River. The river here is very, very slow because there are a lot of water reservoirs here. So it's very, very clear and quiet. Today I want to take some footage with my drone of the bridge. There are actually two bridges. There is one bridge which is, I'm going to show you in the background. I hope you can see it. There is a tall bridge which is actually meant for cars. Sorry, for some reason, I have face tracking enabled on my DJI Osmo Pocket. So, but you will see it later on the drone footage. So there are two bridges. One is a smaller bridge which is closed for traffic, but looks really cool for, taking pictures and videos of. And the other one is a very tall bridge. It's called the Jörg Haider Bridge. Mr. Jörg Haider, he died many, many years ago. He was, how is it called? Prime Minister of the state of Carinthia, of the province of Carinthia here in Austria, I would say. He died many years ago. He had a tragic car accident. And the bridge is called after him. I'm not going further into details about the bridge and the man, Mr. Haider. But I'm here today to take videos of those two bridges and the Drau River. And there's also like a cute little harbor, like a few boats docked here. So it's pretty nice here, even though it's sunny, but it's still not too warm, but it's supposed to be warm next week. We're supposed to have 17 degrees next week. So, but today it's sunny, it's nice, it's perfect drone weather. So I'm going to start my drone shortly, and I really hope that you will enjoy the footage that I will take. And I'm also very happy if you leave me some comments, your feedback, and if you have any questions about the area or anything, please feel free to also comment. And of course, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more drone videos, which I'll usually do every Sunday. All right, so enjoy the drone videos and hope to see you soon in my channel. Bye bye, your Nerdy Grandma.